So yeah. Then we've done the delivery with the fucking intake and the throttle body. Got onto the Tuggeranong Parkway and realised we forgot the throttle body. Oh well, it's good to give the car a run once every now and then. More than its usual, like 100 kilometres a week sort of thing. But that is plenty though. I mean, a V8 can live off that no problem, you know what I mean? It's actually pretty good for it. And then you can just kind of just give it the odd blat here and there. And mine's just been happy as fuck ever since I've had that particular car. It's been a good car, that one. Pizza protein slice. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I went to Woolies and fuck, Woolies was busy today. You know they're busy. Yeah, you know Woolies are busy when you've only got a basket and you're like I'm just going to go to the, you know, the machines to get it done, to get this. I've got to get the fuck out because everybody just hates shopping nowadays. And then they're just lined up at the grocery, the normal line where trolleys full, and then they're also packed up at where all the machines are as well. You know, then yeah, they're fucking busy. But yeah. And they've made them so it's actually, do you find it quite a problem when you have cash only, when you try and pay on one of those machines? It's really quite aggravating. Especially when it's busy, like cunts will be just like, you know, the lady, there's always that lady down the end just going, this one, sir, this one. And then it's just like, oh, no, sorry. I'm just a fucking Mr. Cashola. I just got to step aside and just wait till cunts go past me until the cash one's available. Looking like a fuckwit. I hate that. Alright, all good. Lots of healthy things inside this one today. All up, it's just got to be a 10 out of 10, folks. Make sure you enjoy the rest of your Monday, I think it is. I think the only place that doesn't have public holiday is WA. And at the moment, on car sales, there's 2 red GDSs and 1 white one. And they're all in fucking WA. And all the other GDS ones on car sales right now are all VEs. So every fucking supercharged fucking VF GDS, if I wanted one, is 3,000 kilometres away. Bye for now.